Hi everyone, this is Gurmail here and I am a health coach. Now, what I'm going to show you today is based on my question I had this week. And my question was, what is your favorite orange food or vegetable, right? So I got comments like someone said butternut pumpkin soup. I got an interesting one here. It says beer and mango and mandarins, orange candy, more mangoes, pawpaw, and carrot. So that was, thank you very much for doing that, for responding to my Facebook post. So my question is now, it was just not merely to ask you a question, but to also think about what goodness orange foods bring about. But before I go any further, let me just share with you my purpose. Okay, my purpose is to help 1,000 families, okay, to be healthy, and to do this without medication, through healthy living, and is to help them be healthy. All right, that's my huge purpose. That's 1,000 families I want to help. So what do we do next? So before I do share my recipe with you, okay, what goodness do orange foods have? So besides what was mentioned, there's what do you call it? Persimmons are orange, rock melon, peaches, sweet potato, there's even guava and kumquats. So all these are orange foods, and consuming this range of foods, actually it's amazing for your health. All right, and the number of nutrients you find in it. You have antioxidants, which is the beta carotene, vitamin A, vitamin C. You have vitamins, you have fiber, you have phytonutrients. All this is found in orange foods. And not only that, it's good for your skin, your eyes, your heart, and it decreases the risk of cancer. So wouldn't you want to know how to cook something knowing that orange foods are so amazing for you? So what I have got is a very simple recipe, especially with winter coming. This is like a vitamin C booster. All right, so, and it's got, let me see how many ingredients. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. Amazing. Very simple. All right, we can do this, right? So what I've got here is just an orange smoothie. No, it's not just an orange smoothie. It's an amazing orange smoothie, all right? So I've got an orange here, which I've cut. I promised I'll wash my hands, as usual. All right, so I've got this here. Got an orange. There was one orange. And I've got 1 cup full of frozen mango pieces. You can see I love my mango. It's a bit more than 1 cup. All right. And I've got half a cup of almond milk, which is homemade almond milk. All right. So that's done. And half a banana, which I'm just going to chop up now. Okay, peel it. And just peel it and break it with my hand. Right, to pieces. And I've just got a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, just gonna. Okay, there we go. And I'm gonna whip it up quickly. Okay, bear with me, the noise just for a bit. Looks good coming out. Just let me get the thing, and I've got a glass here for you. Alright, there we go. Looks amazing. Okay. Let me just show you. There you go. All you're going to do is just, so the consistency, it's a smoothie, so it depends on what you want to do. If you want to add more water or more almond milk, or a bit more water, or some almond milk, that's up to you. All right, but here we go. Should I give it a try? Yeah. That's yummy. All right, go try and give me some comments if you do try it. So that's it for today. Enjoy your orange foods, especially this vitamin C booster with winter coming up and building your immunity. So that's it for today. I'll see you soon, and look out for the recipe tomorrow on my Facebook post. Bye.